Shawnee Heights School District is located in Tecumseh, Kansas, which is about 10 miles to the east of Topeka, Kansas. Shawnee Heights is a pre-K through 12 district. We're Class 5A. We have 4 elementary schools, 1 middle school, and 1 high school. We have about 3,600 students district-wide. Our data center supports everything from network connectivity to supporting HVAC, fire alarms, and then just making sure that everybody can access the programs that we host on 45 virtual machines. We renovated our data center back in 2010 because we needed to expand it so we could support the additional programs needed for students and staff to be successful. At that time, we had a UPS in there as our primary backup source, and through outages, we needed to have something that was more dependable and would last longer, so we ended up purchasing a Caterpillar generator. We wanted a reputable generator. We wanted to partner with a local company that would be able to provide the maintenance and then support for the generator. We selected the Caterpillar DG150. It is a natural gas generator. For us, we went with the natural gas versus the diesel because we wanted something that was easy to maintain, because we have a small IT department and a small buildings and grounds department. So it was important that it didn't require a lot of maintenance and monitoring on a regular basis. So we entered into an agreement with Foley's to provide that maintenance. So they do all the oil changes, they do an annual load bank test, and just make sure the generator's operating as it should.
School districts don't always have a highly trained personnel to take care of these generator sets, so that's where Foley equipment comes into play to take care of this and bring in their highly trained technicians.
When we installed the generator, Foley played a major role in that. They obviously helped design the generator that we needed. They worked with our buildings and grounds department to make sure that the concrete pad was poured correctly. They worked with the natural gas company to make sure the gas line was there and that we had the volume needed to support it, and then was on site the entire time to make sure that everything went successful. The Cat generator fires up very quickly and starts providing power to the data center within a couple of seconds. Shawnee Heights chose remote asset monitoring because it gives us the ability to monitor the generator from any type of device from any location, which is something that impacted our decision to go with Caterpillar.
So remote asset monitoring gives a customer and us, Foley equipment, multiple things that we can look at. We can help prevent failure. Customer can make sure their generator's running on their weekly run time, even if they don't see it, because it records all that.
The most important thing is the partnership between Foley, Caterpillar, and the district, and we appreciate everything that they do for Shawnee Heights School District.